Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Stockx account. From here in the help section, you can go to my account. Here, simply click on it, and then you will find some instruction, and all of this is here. How do I delete or deactivate my account? Simply click on it to get the instruction about the deletion of your account. Now you can also chat with a representative of Stockx. You can talk about to delete your account or deactivate your account. Now here is how you can delete your account. To delete your account entirely, visit our trust center and submit our deletion request. Here is Stockx Trust Center where you can submit a deletion request. From here, first you have to click on this checkbox, and then you have to click on request type and click delete or eraser, and then you have to enter your Stockx account email address, your first name and last name. Then you have to click on submit. Then if you currently own an NFT, please sell it before deleting your account. All NFTs is within your portfolio when your account is deleted will be lost. Now, after submitting a deletion request to Stockx, the representative of Stockx will review your deletion request. Then the request will be processed anytime in the next 30 days. That means you have to wait for next 30 days because the deletion request, the deletion process can take up to 30 days for the day from the day that you have submit the request. That's how you can delete your Stockx account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.